Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology, National College of Technology. We are just going to have a detailed activity in the subject Internet of Things in the topic Physical Design of IoT. These are my third year students. This is Janet Maria, this is Mohammed Divya, Sri Lakshmi, Rasita, and Pradiksha. Today we are just going to see in detail about the physical design of IoT. In general, IoT mainly consists of physical design and logical design. In physical design, it mainly consists of connectivity, storage interfaces, input-output interfaces, audio-video interfaces, then graphics, and it mainly consists of many layers. The layers are application layer, link layer, network layer, transport layer. All these layers are comes under this physical designs of IoT. Let us see in detail. First, Janet Maria, just tell about the empathy part.
First stage is empathy. Empathize means understanding the user's need, challenges, emotions faced by their own. Designers, instead of assumption, they have to gain the real knowledge, interact with the users. In context of physical devices, designers design a smart devices which solves the real world problems. For example, in agriculture, farmers have to check the soil temperature and moisturizer often. Manual checking is time consuming, but it delay the process. It may affect the crop growth. For this, the IoT device has one device, smart irrigation system. It is helpful for farmers.
The Mohan and Divya just tell about the design part.
The second stage is define. Af- After collecting the user information, we clearly define the problem statement. The problem is farmers needed a simple, affordable, and reliable in IoT device to monitoring the soil and the environmental condition in real life because the manual monitoring is more difficult and inefficient.
Sri Lakshmi just tell about the idea part.
The third stage is ideate. In this stage, we generate different ideas and possible solutions. The possible ideas include using soil moisture sensors, using humidity and temperature sensors, connecting multiple devices through Wi-Fi, sending data to mobile application, providing alerts when soils become dry, making the devices cost efficient, then using solar power to outdoor applications. The main goal is to think creatively without limiting.
Jessica just tell about the prototype.
The fourth stage is prototype. Here we build a working model of our idea. Protocol that includes Arduino microcontroller, ESP32, soil moisture sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, power supply, Wi-Fi module, mobile applications or cloud data dashboards. Working process of our model. Sensor collect the physical data and the microcontroller process the data and data is sent through the Wi-Fi to the cloud. Users user monitor the app. User monitoring the data using mobile app. Alerts are sent if the same values exceed the same limit. This demonstrate how physical devices work together using IoT system.
Just tell about the test.
The final stage of design thinking process is testing. Testing is important because the prototype is tested before launching and identifying the errors if any bugs are there. The testing in IoT includes checks the sensor accuracy. The sensor sends the reading which should be accurate, which would not be inaccurate because it leads to inconsistency. Next is the internet connectivity. The messages are sent from the sensors to the mobile phone, so the internet connectivity is ensured. And verify mobile notifications. The user should limit a pop-up notification on the mobile phone. Users feedback and reviews. Based on the user's feedback, the test phase is completed by using users feedback and reviews. The testing phase is completed with the finished model. Benefits in IoT system. Real-time automation system. It is one of the most important benefit in IoT system. Real-time automation means collecting the data using the sensor. Makes the IoT devices smarter. Automation system without human interactions. Device using the sensors. Devices make real-time automation system cost saving, scalability.
Mohan, just tell about the real-time example.
Real-life application. Physical IoT devices are used in smart cities, smart homes, smart agriculture, environment conditions, healthcare, etc.
Okay, students, hope you all have understood about the design, physical design of IoT. We'll see in next class. Thank you all.